Alright everybody, it's Thursday, 11 May, so it's in the morning, 10 o'clock my time, Belgium time. So let's look at the chart. Start with USD, CHF. Wait, let's look at the economic calendar first. Okay, we got some GBP news at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's not well, I'm not going to take care of that, it's just like whatever. But what's more important is this 230 core PPI news and the other two. This can create some hefty momentum on the USD pairs. So for this you want to have your bets spread on the USD. You want some pairs that are short, some pairs that are long. You don't want them all in the same direction, because then you get some more account risk because of this news. It's probably going to be neutral, but when it's all in one direction, you're going to see a big move in one direction. And if you're wrong on that, well, you're gonna get a big loss. So let's check our positions and see how we're doing with USD pairs. Okay, we got one long, one short. Okay, yeah, it's looking balanced. So let's keep it like that. Okay. Let's start with USD CHF. Still drinking some coffee. I'm still a bit tired from yesterday evening, but we want to be consistent with the charts. So here we got a big zone on top. I really want to take a trade from this one. Price reaches it and traces a bit. Okay, Euro USD probably gonna hit the stop loss, but this is really good for me because on my PAM account, the news trading account, I got some shorts on the Euro USD, and it's going to be like 10 to 15% profit on the account when Euro USD goes to here. So I like the pair going down. Okay, now this is interesting. USD GPY bouncing from the zone. So let's look what we're doing. We got a big short on AUD USD. If you long USD JPY, that's another thing in the same direction. So let's not do it, because then the news is going to be fatal in some cases. So let's stay out. Apologies. Okay, so here it's looking like we are going to get some reaction from this zone. So I saw a bit earlier today that we were in 100 USD profit, and I should have closed it there, but I was waiting to record this video because this is that trade that TradingView fucked up. Like I think it would be better to target 100 USD here, because well, I want to use 50 USD risk anyway on each trade. So let's keep it like that. Should have been closed down here, but well, we'll see how it trades. Probably going to make a double bottom before it moves up. Let's move further. Now this is interesting. We push below a zone. We got a double fib here. If we reach somewhere over here and retrace down, it would be a good signal to reach to this area. So let's keep an eye on this one. Okay, showing some support at this fat cat zone that has been created. But just wait till the take profit is hit, probably go and get some chop, maybe go back down and then we go back up before it goes down. We'll see about that. Okay, interesting. Probably going to move down. Here, this is a strong zone. The moment we push up from this, don't target this zone. This is starting to form a double bottom, so when we move past this zone, could be a good one. Stop loss here, target here. Consolidating about the zone, want to move past the EMA, SMA. Good. Yeah, this is starting to show a reaction, that's good. Let's go to oil, let's have a look. It's still forming this triangle. Let's see which side it goes to. Probably waiting for the USD news, so let's just pray for it being in the right direction for us. Alright everybody, we got some major news. Let's look at the USD news. It's still pending, it's negative, just like the previous events. Looks like USD is crashing a bit down. Still waiting for the positive news, but it's going to be good for our position on the Euro USD. Let's go through all the charts. It's not that strong of a news, they are not all in one direction. There's some neutral news too, so don't expect a major move. See, it is lucky on the Euro USD we were close to a loss, but now it's moving back towards the take profit. It's gonna be bad for this position, because AUD USD will move up because of this news. Probably gonna get a $100 loss, but you have to be indifferent about money as a trader. It's just $100. I am not seeing any setups on the chart, it's kind of boring. This could be a good entry, because usually on these kind of news events you get a move towards one direction and then it just retraces. But I'm skipping this for now, we are in enough risk already. GBP, JPY, we want to see the price retrace to this zone or this zone, and then get a confirmation of a bullish move, then we can enter. AUD in a good position. Let's see if price can go to this zone and then move back up. Because I know harmonic pattern there. So I can see point D being reached and then going back up. Well, I don't trade harmonic patterns, I just know them. This is heading towards the right direction. Okay, this is perfect that our bottom is forming. Let's put an order on GBP AUD long. Let's put it right above the zone. Then put stop loss below the recent lows. And put a 1-to-1 risk to reward. It's perfect because it's targeting these highs. So let's create a stop order. Not make the mistake of a limit order again. 0.5% risk. Okay, that's good. Let's look at the metals. Well, they should be going bullish. If the Toro is bearish, then people are gonna put some money into gold. Same with platinum and silver. Okay, let's look at oil. It should go up on a negative dollar release, but it's not coming through, probably because this pattern is too strong and there are enough bearish pressure already, so they're skipping the news. I want to see that. Okay guys, 7 o'clock. We had some reaction from the news. They're going this up a lot. We got some losses, we got some wins. Well, this history, it doesn't really show a lot. We're gonna spend some time finding something where you can export this data and then make a better trading journal from this, because I want to see the past wins and losses and get a nice graph going. So I'm looking forward to that. But let's continue our trading. Also, it's good that we are now only in 4 positions, they're a lot closer, so we are open to entering new positions. So that's what I'm going to look for now. Let's quit Discord so you guys don't get these notifications. Okay, this is interesting, but I would like to see more of a dip inside the zone before it starts to go. Where it's just testing it a bit. I want to see more price action inside it. Something more like this, yes. I want to see a candle inside of here, and maybe next 4 hours or just this candle closes somewhere here. That's where we enter. So it's giving a lot of support. just wasn't there when I entered the trade. Here we are looking for a bearish reversal, well, pullback and continuation, I mean. Interesting. Look a bit back, a lot of consolidation here. So I really need to establish a confirmation. Also, the zone isn't really that strong. It's a double zone, so not that strong. Let's remove this. Still hasn't been triggered. This one is looking good. Again, a new fat get zone is forming like in that other trade. Probably going to get some consolidation here. Let's hope it will break. The metals. Silver pushed really down with the news. It's unfortunate that there isn't any big zone here to support it. Otherwise, I would enter. This is the indexes, we are not trading this. Let's go to oil. We are still in the trade. It's finally starting to go down. I would have liked this to close below this wick. So that would be more confirmation of it going down. Let's see what's happening. Most likely it will chop a bit more before it will choose a direction. Alright guys, let's do a last session for today on the markets. So we have some open positions short, they're all in profit. We're at 184 account balance profit. We are in a 38 open profit right now, so the account is doing good. So let's just cycle through the trades, through the markets I mean, and see if there's any more opportunity. Here we are breaking through the zone. I want this to break a bit further, then come back and then go short on Euro USD. Here we got a similar situation as on Euro USD. We see the price on Euro AD, it moved inside the zone and then it's starting to go back down. It's not enough confirmation for me yet. Also, the price hasn't really discovered a good low here to target. So if we would target from this, we would have to target here. Probably price would be bouncing a bit at the zone, so it wouldn't be an optimal trade. So I'm skipping this for now. Euro GPY. Let's look at this. We got the previous 4-hour candle is looking very bullish. We just opened this 4-hour candle. It's looking a bit like consolidation. It's looking more like a price will consolidate there, so not entering. GBCHF, wow, is a super strong zone, but it's hard to find a target here. Probably a short target would be easier than a long target. However, you can target this area. But in this pair, you have these two fat cat zones right above this one. So I'm more expecting a consolidation. Nothing to trade. It is interesting, lining up for a nice scalp where you can long target the zone with stop loss under here. It's not a part of this challenge, but it could be a solid strategy. Okay, GBP, JPY is looking very solid. We got a clear price movement inside the zone. So we want to see a bit more confirmation, and then we target this area where the price stayed a while with stop loss below the zone. So let's put a pending order here. It's long. Something like this looks like a moment in time where price is good. Okay, let's target this. Then 1-to-1 risk to reward. Okay, that's looking good. Create a stop order. 0.5% risk. Okay, so that's in. Got a bunch of stop orders now. Let me do this one again because we want to make sure it will expire in a day. Let's stop this music. Okay, I'm gonna keep this raw for you guys. Yeah, let's use the same thing. Stop order, then expiration time of force, a day, 0.5% risk. Okay, put in a buy. Right. Let's move on. Too many zones at the same time. If you are a range trader, do it, but we are trading trends here. Okay, so here what I expect the price to do is go through to this zone as a magnet. It's almost, I'm like 90% sure it will do this, but for me price already pushed too high to get a good risk to reward, so I'm not gonna do it. But once it touches the zone and starts to move down, we expect price to go to the next zone here. Definitely a very solid zone on NZD JPY. Price isn't mirrored, so nothing gonna happen. Still not breaking out of these zones on GBP, AUD. Here you got a very tight consolidation. So what do I think will happen here? We're probably going to get a liquidity spike and then a move. So I'm not going to put a pending order, it could be risky. silver price just got through these zones like nothing. So I think price will have to go back and push back into these zones before it can continue down. We had a massive uptrend before this consolidation and a push down. So if we get a pullback, we can get, we have a very clear area here. It's like nothing gonna stop us. So here you can put in a longer target, but I'm still gonna stick with 1-to-1 risk to reward. Here I still want the price to move a bit more into these zones before it can rally to the upside. Okay, indexes, we are not trading that. Let's go to oil. Okay, this is looking very juicy. It's going to go down. Another winning trade most likely. So the challenge is doing good. Once we reach like 10% profit, I'm going to implement this on a prop account to get funded. But for now, let's keep it on the paper trader.